Welcome back to Accountant's Desk. In today's video, we will learn what a trial balance is, why it is important, and most importantly, how to prepare a trial balance step by step using a practical example, perfect for students and small business owners. If you are new to accounting or you have just finished learning ledger posting, this video is your next step to understand how everything connects before we prepare final accounts. Even if you have never seen a trial balance before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why we prepare trial balance and how to prepare it. And if you are a small business owner looking for accurate bookkeeping help, check the Google Form link from our channel homepage. Now let's get started. What is trial balance? A trial balance is a statement that lists all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts on a specific date. It helps ensure that total debits equal total credits and checks that our books are arithmetically correct. It means trial balance is a summary sheet to check errors before preparing the final accounts like profit and loss account and balance sheet. Why do we prepare trial balance? To confirm books are balanced. It shows at a glance whether total debits are equal to total credits, providing you have applied the double entry system correctly. To detect errors like posting on the wrong side and wrong amounts, etc. Trial balance prevents many common errors to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet easily. Once your trial balance matches, you know your ledger balances are ready to be transferred to P&L account and balance sheet. It reduces confusion and last minute correction. To save time during final accounts. A balanced trial balance avoids rechecking hundreds of entries later. It serves as a working paper for accountants and auditors. Now let's move on. Format of trial balance. Particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. You list every account's closing balances from ledger. Assets and expenses usually shows credit balance. Liabilities, capital and income usually shows credit balance. Now let's look at the example. Let's say we have these ledger balances at the end of April. These are the same balances we got in the ledger account from a previous video. That is cash account 5,85,000 on debit balance, bank account 5 lakh debit balance, purchases account 2 lakh debit balance, sales account 3 lakh rupees, credit balance, rent account 25,000 debit balance, commission account 10,000 rupees, credit balance, capital account 10 lakh rupees, credit balance. Now let's create the trial balance. First is cash account 5,85,000. We have debit balance. So this is the trial balance format. Sham Limited trial balance as on 30th April 2025. Particulars ledger folio debit and credit. And we have got cash account 5,85,000 debit balance. So we record it as cash account debit side 5,85,000. Next bank account 5 lakh rupees debit balance. And we'll record it as bank account debit side 5 lakh rupees. Next, purchases account 2 lakh rupees debit balance. So we'll record it as purchase account 2 lakh rupees on the debit side because we had debit balance. Next, sales account 3 lakh rupees credit balance. So we'll record it as sales account 3 lakh rupees on the credit side. Next, rent account 25,000 debit balance. So we record it as rent account 25,000 on the debit side. Next, commission account 10,000 rupees credit balance. So we record it as commission account 10,000 rupees on the credit side. Capital account 10 lakh rupees credit side. So we record it as capital account credit side 10 lakh rupees. Now we have completed recording all the balances. Now total both debit and credit columns. 5,85,000, 5 lakh, 2 lakh, 25,000 is equals to 13 lakh 10,000 on both the sides. If totals match, our books are balanced. If not, there may be an error in ledger posting or balancing. Remember, trial balance doesn't guarantee books are error-free, but it's a vital checkpoint. It's always prepared before the final accounts. Once your trial balance matches, next we will learn how to prepare the profit and loss account and balance sheet. That's where you will see business profit and financial position. So stay tuned. We will cover those step by step too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Accountant's Desk for more beginner friendly accounting tutorials. And if you want us to keep your books accurate, just fill the Google form linked in our homepage. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.